I will start with this question. And I put that in quotes so that you don't have to feel as bad. But by show of hands, how many of you have used AI, say ChatGPT, to help you with your work at university? And that's what I thought. That makes sense, right? It's an amazing technology, and you have to use it when you see it. The problem is that you're not the only ones who are thinking like this. So are they. These are the biggest employers of software engineers and data scientists in the world. And they are also trying to cheat. The only problem is, when they cheat, they replace the jobs that used to exist for computer scientists and data scientists in their companies. So, you know, you can see a few things they're saying. I made them cartoons to make them a bit less intimidating. But effectively, you've got Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft. A lot of their work is being done by AI, 20%, 30%. Mark Zuckerberg, much more bullish on this thing. He's saying it'll be a mid-level engineer this year. He's saying he's going to replace 50% of his code with it. And he's also recently said that even the code that makes the AI will be done by the AI. So the Llama models will be built by AI in his mind. Salesforce is the most crazy one. This guy is hiring freeze on all software engineers. So, I mean, these guys are cheating too. And the question is, you know, what do we do about it to make ourselves more relevant? It's not just them that you have to worry about. It's also this guy. So because of AI, because it makes it a lot easier to sound like you know what you're talking about, because it makes it a lot easier to kind of build stuff and muddle through, you got people who, they don't have your degree, they don't have your training or your background, but they're doing it anyway. They're kind of using these tools, and billions are being spent on these tools. That's Replit on the top. I mean, if you want to have some fun, download Replit and just tell it to make a game for you. It'll do it. There's Devon, which is supposed to be a fully autonomous AI engineer. It can also make machine learning models. It can do AI data science. Windsurf just got acquired by OpenAI, $2 or $3 billion, something like that. These are big players, and they're catering to this guy. He doesn't care really if there's bugs hiding in his code. He doesn't care if AI flop is coming out. He doesn't even care that he has 3 hands.